Alright guys, welcome back. I hope quarantine is treating everybody fair. We know that's not true. At least not for me. I've just about mixed every color in the Mad Lab. So, get ready, because we're doing a resin piece. I got resin art pigments, y'all, from Leslie from Colourarte. It's about to go down with my madness. So, stay tuned. I have my resin already poured. This is a 16-ounce cup. So part A and part B should equal 16 ounces. Let's hope it goes that way. We're just going to go like that. Okie dokie. And I can reuse this cup as long as I don't touch that with this. Okay. That's kind of the method to my madness. Always have a bottle of 91% isopropyl alcohol handy. I know you see me flinging resin everywhere. That was a really full cup. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. But I do have a big... Let me pause you guys. I'm going to stir. Technically, you could stir for 5 minutes. I stir... You know what? Can you see all those strings in there? I stir until the strings are gone. Like when Karen was here... and she set a timer. I was like, yeah, set a timer. And then it went off, and I was like, wait a minute. We haven't even started resining yet. And she was like, oh, that was the mixing timer. I was like, what? So it's up to you. You can set a timer to mix. I just mix until it's clear. Colors. It's going to be a little difficult, but this is sangria, butterscotch. This is Milky Way, pomegranate, Jasper Red, Blue Moon, Aquamarine, Green Apple. I have some other mica over here with some violet green sparkle interference from Colourarte. The blue turquoise mica is from Amazon. I'll have links in the description for that. I do have an opaque pigment. I don't know how I'm going to use it yet. And then I've got some clementine. That's the green apple. Okay. The aquamarine. All good. See? They just melt into the resin. Blue Moon. Oh, look at that color, you guys. Wow. This is the Jasper Red that was pre-dispersed first with the art fluid from Primary Elements. It's this guy right here. It's an acrylic extender. But there you have it. Okay. Milky Way. That's pretty. Butterscotch, I think. Look at that, you guys. That is gorgeous. Whoa. Sangria, I think. Look at that. That is so pretty. The pomegranate. Oh my god! This is so beautiful! That's the clementine. Look at that. I have to give that a little better mix. Oh, my hands. But yes, that's orange. I need to wipe my hands. I always wrap my alcohol with Glad Press and Seal. So that way afterwards, I can really just rip the Glad Press and Seal off. And not worry about having a sticky bottle. That's crazy looking. You got. I can't wait to do the lacing on it. But look at those colors, y'all. I can't even capture it on camera. It's glowing. Oh my goodness, Leslie, thank you so much. The colors are just stunning. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.